Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious French onion soup. First, let's tackle the star, the onions. You'll need about 3 pounds of yellow onions thinly sliced. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a large pot, then add your onions. Cook them over medium-low heat for 45 to 60 minutes, stirring often. This slow caramelization is key to developing that deep, sweet flavor we all love. Once your onions are beautifully caramelized, it's time to build the incredible broth. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour over the onions and stir well. Next, pour in 1 cup of dry white wine, scraping up any delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Then, add 6 cups of quality beef broth and a bay leaf. Let this simmer gently for at least 30 minutes to allow all those wonderful flavors to combine. Now for the exciting assembly. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice a fresh baguette into 1-inch thick rounds and toast them lightly until golden. Grate about 8 ounces of delicious Gruyere cheese. This will be our glorious topping. Carefully ladle the hot, aromatic soup into individual oven-safe bowls, filling each one about 3/4 full. We're almost there. The grand finale. Carefully float 2 or 3 toasted baguette slices on top of the hot soup in each bowl. Now, generously cover that bread with your grated Gruyere cheese, ensuring a thick, delicious layer. Place the bowls on a baking sheet and broil them for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Serve your magnificent French onion soup immediately, but remember, those bowls will be very hot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.